Congratulations, you landed that BA role. I'm going to tell you what to do in your first 2 weeks after landing that BA job. These tips will not only help you succeed in your role, but will also help you start making an impact on the people that you will be working with in your project. By the way, if you're new here, I'm Ace. I help BAs grow and succeed in their roles. If you want to learn tips and tricks to grow your BA skills, start now by subscribing. Anyway, the first tip I have for you is to start embracing the learning curve. Your first 2 weeks might be overwhelming, but remember, it's all part of the process. Take the time to understand your company's culture, workflows, and the specific projects that you will be working on. As a BA, you need to get used to reading hundreds of pages about the project, business strategies, ways of working, and more. Let me share with you one of my experiences in the past. When I started as a junior BA I've immersed myself in the company's documentations, I've attended training sessions, and I've actively participated in project-related meetings. This helped me get up to speed with the company's processes and the project that I was assigned. The next step is to build strong relationships. Connecting with your team members, stakeholders, and other departments is crucial. Communication is the key to success in any role. And as a BA, you will be working with various teams, and it is your job to bridge any communication gap. An example to build relationships, which worked for me in the past, I made an effort to have a one-on-one conversation with my team members over coffee. Coffee also works for stakeholders, but sometimes they don't. So it's always best to ask your manager about the type of people your stakeholders are, so you can effectively think of a strategy and how to approach them. These interactions not only help me understand their roles and expectations, but I've also established a foundation of collaboration and trust. Next is to never hesitate to ask questions. Your curiosity will help you understand the business better and make informed decisions. Don't worry about sounding inexperienced or looking stupid, because asking questions show your dedication to the job. In my experience, asking questions were incredibly valuable. I've always used the 5 whys methodology during meetings, which always led to a productive discussion and clarified the key drivers of the project and its direction. Remember, there's no such thing as a dumb question. Any question that you ask is an opportunity to learn. If you want to know more about the 5 whys methodology and how to effectively use it, let me know by dropping a comment below. The next step is to familiarize yourself with the tools of the trade. Whether it's a project management software, data analysis tools, or communication platforms, becoming tech-savvy will significantly enhance your productivity. Dedicate some time to explore the software and the tools used by your team. For example, if your team is using a project management software like Trello or data visualization tool like Tableau, by the way, this video is not being sponsored by these companies, get permission to access these tools, play with them, or get someone from your team to give you some tutorials, or you can also do your own research on how to use them. This will not only make your work more efficient in the long run, but will also showcase your willingness to adapt to new technologies. And the final tip for today is to set clear goals for your first 2 weeks and beyond, because having a clear roadmap will help you stay focused and organized. Break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your achievements along the way by setting specific goals toward the end of each week. For example, at the end of your first week, set a goal to understand the key objectives of your ongoing project. And you can break this large task into smaller tasks, such as reading through hundreds of pages of documentations about the project or interviewing your team members or the stakeholders. These smaller steps will help you track your progress and will also give you a sense of accomplishment as you complete each step. And there you have it, 5 essential tips to excel in your first 2 weeks as a business analyst. Which of these tips resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, if you found these tips valuable, please like the video. Liking the video will help with the algorithm, allowing it to reach other BAs who can also benefit from it. I'll catch you again in the next video where we'll discuss what to do when your project leaders are juniors. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. See ya!